After 10 years of owning the FJ, it finally surprised me. So I got the check engine light, and then I got the traction off light, VSC off, and another light. See those lights? And yeah, I don't know what it is. So I got my OBD reader. Alright. Let's see what's wrong with this thing. Yes. So P0101 mass airflow sensor, I guess. I don't know why. I wonder what caused that. Kind of stupid, but what are you gonna do? Alright, y'all. So I'll try to clean the mass airflow sensor first. I'll do it tomorrow. Actually on our way to watch Avengers Endgame, and the light turned on. Truck was running fine though. It got a little shaky, but before replacing the thing, I'll actually just maybe clean the mass airflow and see what happens. So code P0101, I believe, either means bad mass airflow sensor. That's most of the time the problem. Either that or my cats are clogged, which is shitty. I don't want clogged cats. So I just got some mass airflow sensor clean. Hopefully it's only dirty and I could just clean it with this and then put it back. And yeah, hopefully that's just the problem. Just gonna grab some tools. Yeah, so I got the mass airflow out. Well, not the sensor, but the piping that has a sensor on it. So I'm just gonna put it down and I'm gonna spray this stuff so the mass airflow sensor is. This intake system looks a little bit different because I have the TRD intake system, but the process is pretty much the same. You just locate the mass airflow, so that's what it looks like, this little square piece. And there's two things you could do. You could either remove like whatever piping it's connected to, but I think for the OEM stock intake, the best thing to do is remove these two screws on the mass airflow. Take it out. Make sure you don't touch the mass airflow, like the actual inside part, the little bulb, with your fingers, because it'll wreck your mass airflow. Take it out. Hold it from here once it's out. So basically just hold it like that once it's out, and then just spray it with the mass airflow clean, and then put it and screw it back in. I think that would be the easiest way to do it if you have the OEM intake. And I got some dirt over here too, so I'm just gonna spray it with the mass airflow clean. So this stuff does dry pretty quick, so shouldn't really be a problem. Put everything back together. I'm gonna plug the mass airflow in. I'm gonna go start the truck, and there was nothing. I'm really hoping it's not the cats. Oh, now we got ABS light too. Disconnect the battery, so that kind of resets everything. So if the light comes back, that means the mass airflow sensor wasn't the problem. Alright y'all, so I've been driving this for more than half an hour, and the check engine light's not coming back, so I'm pretty sure the mass airflow sensor cleaner fixed it. But yeah, that's all for today. So we fixed it by cleaning the mass airflow sensor, and it's awesome. I think runs like a champ.